Okay, so again, we're looking at factoring this expression. The only thing different from this one, from the last one, is that it has another term. So we have 3 terms. That means we need to have 3 lists, and the GCF needs to be on all 3 lists. So I'm going to start off by changing this minus 30 to a plus negative 30. This is just going to help me with my division later on. So we're going to keep change. This becomes now 24x plus negative 30y plus 12z. So now I'm just going to start off making my list with 24. 24, I know you got to go in numerical order. So start off with number 1. 1 times 24, always a factor. Then next is 2. 2 times 12. Next is, does 3 go in? Yes, 3 times 8. 4 is next, right? We're going 1, 2, 3. Next is 4 times 6. 5 does not go into 24. 6 does, but 6 is already on my list, so I know I am done. The next one is my 30. So again, start off number 1. 1 times 30. Next, 2 does go into 30 15 times. 3 goes into 30 10 times. And 5 times, or 4 does not go into 30, but 5 does, 5 times 6. And the last one, 12, we just did 12, so we should know, pretty simple. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So now I need to go through, and my greatest common factor, let's start off finding just our common factors. We have 1 is on all 3 lists. 2 is on all 3 lists. Next, 3 is on all 3 lists. Is 4 on all 3 lists? No, it is only on 24 and 12. It is not on 30, so it's not a common factor. Next is 6. 6 is on all 3 lists. And 8, no. 12 is only on 24 and 12, and that is it. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 6. Remember, we want the biggest one, so my GCF is my 6. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out. Fill in our area model. Remember, this goes here. On the outside, we have 24x. Remember, it is a negative 30y and a positive 12z. Now, pretend that we notice a division bar, right here, and then just ask yourself, how many times does 6 go into 24x? Or you can find it on your list. Here's your list right here, 24. We pulled out a 6, so 4. 4, don't forget your x, plus negative 30y, so 36 is 5, so 5y, and it is negative because a negative and a positive, 2 different signs, equals a negative. And 12z, so 12's list, find 6, and it is 2, so 2z. So we're going to write our final answer as a product using parentheses to show multiplication. So 6 goes on the outside of the parentheses, and this at top goes inside. So 4x plus a negative 5y plus 2z. We can write it like this, but mathematicians don't really like a plus a negative, so you can write it as 6 times 4x minus 5y plus 2z. So either answer is correct.